Okay, I'm going to try and cut this. I've never done it before. And I don't know how this cutter works. But I guess we'll see. Yes, my infant is not happy in the background. Alright, let's see how that worked. Not bad. I don't like how thin the bars are, but I don't think I like the slab cutter. If y'all see what I'm doing wrong, tell me, because I don't like this damn slab cutter. I'm just gonna make my own for cutting because this thing's horrible. I might have to email the company and ask them what I'm doing wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm cutting the rest of this by hand because this cutter is spectacular. I hate man-made things. They half-ass it and it looks like shit. So this, I'll have to get that. It's my cutter. Might have to make these hand soaps, y'all. Not bad. I'm very aggravated right now. Spent $206 on this cutter and mold, and it sucks. They're nice bars. Nice size. My embeds did not make it. At all. But at least next time I know to cut my lobes myself, not use that crappy cutter they sent me. I figured it'd make it easier on me. Well, that's cute. You can see the green and the red. I'm so aggravated right now. But my soaps are cute and they smell good. So that's a plus. Not bad looking. They're not all the same size, but they're not horrible. Next time, cut myself, though. I won't use the black mold cutter. My embeds did not work out. They sank down into the soap. Raylene? I was just checking. I was just checking to see where you're at. You're fine. Ooh, I like that one. Y'all, if you're new at something and you're just using it for the first time, don't do it on a video that you're posting online and make yourself look like a fool. Just FYI, we'll learn together, right? I think they're pretty for my first holiday soaps. Now this one, yeah, it's going to be gargantuan bars. And I definitely did not get 30 bars. Wow. Out of this. These are nice, thick, huge bars. So yes, they're going to cost more. But the more that's there, you know, I want to cry because it didn't turn out how I wanted it exactly. But like I said, first time I used it, and it smells heavenly. So y'all, it's pretty. I mean, but the cuts aren't good like I wanted, which is aggravating to me. And I didn't get 30 bars. But next time I will, because I'll know to use my big soap knife and not that log cutter. I love these soaps, guys. They're beautiful and they smell fantastic. Like, they are rock your world awesome smelling, I'm telling you. Oh, the soap's getting a little too big for this cutter. Oh man, this be fun, y'all. Nice huge bars. Look at this. These are my hands. That is the soap. Y'all are gonna get some nice soap for your cash, I'll tell you right now. And trust me, it's heavenly. And it's paraffin free. So you don't have all the garbage that most fragrance oil has, which makes me happy. I'm sticking with that site since they have that option, and I'll only be buying that option. I'm going to see something, guys. Let's see if it'll let me cut it in half. I don't think so. I think it's too fat. No, we got it. Yes. All right, guys. Sorry I moved it out of frame. I'm just trying to make sure y'all are seeing it. Yes, you're seeing it. Let me move these guys up out the way. Right here. Soap pot that I'm cutting. They're supposed to be skinny bars. Skinny and tall. Ignore the baby. Well, I'm not ignoring her, but I'm trying to hurry up and finish cutting these. I could take a bar and try to carve a tree out of it. Make it like a Christmas tree or Yule tree. See if it'll work. I just hate to waste the bar of soap. But if it works, it'd be awesome. One of the in-beds made it, sorta. The rest of them sent down. Rose! 2 more bars, girl. Give mommy a minute. I like that one. That's one of my favorite ones. And then I'm just gonna leave this as a big bar. And that's what I got out of my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28, 29. So I almost got 30 bars. So hey, good enough for me. I'm happy. Next time though, I'll use my soap knife and cut it, and not that freaking block cutter, unless I can figure out what I'm doing wrong with it and get it fixed. But that's it for now. I think this one is my favorite. But have a good night, everybody, and I'll see you next time for the next cutting.